This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2023 New York International Auto Show, doing a quick walk about the exotics over here. We've got Rimac. This is a Nevera. This is absolutely mind-boggling. The alloys which they use, those are 20s, yes. This is such a remarkable Croatian car, supercar. Fantastic. Make sure you check out when the supercar console they had a few years ago. I've got it on video. That carbon fiber mirrors. Outrageous. Absolutely outrageous. I love these details here. Fantastic. Everything's functional. It's not just styling gimmick. Look at that. Carbon fiber. Diffusers. Wow. Go from there to the Lotus. Just beautiful. The lines over here. That is fantastic. What I like is that it's a manual transmission. Wow, how this hood works. Fascinating. Of course, we've got Bentley. Yes, they went into the SUV. This is their top-selling vehicle. And the Karma. Karma was fascinating because it's an outgrowth of originally the Fisker. This is the electric. In fact, I've got a test drive of the old Karma. This one is $112,000. Just to give you an idea, this is the GS 6S. Always look at the hood, the roof panel, because that's really cool in a Karma. A car, another alternative in the EV market. Of course, we've got a Royce. Again, what's a show without at least one Royce? With the coach doors, I've always enjoyed that. And what's really cool is that inside the doors, they actually have a heated space for your bumble chute. Like a right proper British car. This one has, of course, the disappearing Spirit of Ecstasy. That's where she hides when you're parked. Another cool feature, the center caps always stay upright. They're weighted and they do spin.
Really cool display.
Nope, can't do it with the wheels. Another cool feature on Rolls-Royce is that the transmission will actually is based off of. Hudson's not in yet. We're gonna see them. This guy's standing in front of everyone. Let's see. I'm gonna jump in front of him. I got Koeningsegg here. Again, absolutely spectacular. I'm going to sneak past if I may.
Yep.
Thank you. See the air deflectors down there. This car, they have shared a lot of technology with Semic. This is fantastic, folks. Look at how they handle that carbon fiber. These cars are insane. You can see the way how the spoiler rises and lowers, covering up radiators in the back. Wow. What a car. This is one view I want to give you. Right down the center. Is that cool? We're going to end it with this Koeningsegg. Chimera, four-seater, the window in the window. Fantastic. Oh, sorry. Fantastic. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2023 New York International Auto Show. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars, NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.